Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore HubSpot workflows after pipeline or property changes, full guide step by step clearly. To restore HubSpot workflows after changes to pipelines or properties, begin by logging into your HubSpot account. Navigate to the automation section in the main dashboard. Select the workflows option from the drop-down menu. Locate the workflow you wish to restore. Click on the workflow name to open its settings. Review the workflow's overview to identify any impacted steps. If necessary, check any specific property changes that may affect the workflow. Return to the workflow editor and look for the steps that are marked as problematic. Click on each problematic step to see detailed information about the error. If a pipeline change has affected the workflow, you may need to update the associated triggers. Check any time delays or actions that relate to the modified properties or pipelines. Make the necessary adjustments to the triggers and actions in the workflow settings. Once adjustments are made, preview the workflow to ensure everything functions properly. Test the workflow using sample contacts to verify that it works as intended. After confirming functionality, save your changes to ensure the workflow is updated. Monitor the workflow for any additional errors or unexpected behaviors after restoration. By following these steps, you can successfully restore HubSpot workflows impacted by pipeline or property changes. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.